Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Jain and I am an UPSC aspirant with Commerce and Accountancy as my optional. Currently, I am doing my optional from Diademy coaching. So, first of all, I want to say thanks to Diademy team and especially Rahul sir for giving me a broad understanding and clarity about the subject, exam pattern, and everything. If you ask me what's special in this coaching, I want to tell you the environment. There is one on one interaction with the teacher due to the less strength in one batch. The problem solving mechanism is also very nice. Secondly, and obviously, the teaching style of Rahul sir, it it's very interesting. And secondly, he gives you the idea of writing what should be written in the exam and everything. And thirdly, and the most important part of this coaching, which I found to be very, very helpful in my journey, is the material. The material is in very synchronized way. The concept clarity of the material is also very nice, which helps me a lot in my answer writing. And the PYQs which are solved are also available with this coaching, which are very less in the market of obviously commerce and accountancy. So that's it from my side. Thank you everyone.